Okay, you guys, I am going to be doing a video to see how long, or how loud, sorry, I can burp. So, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. What the objective you want to do is, suck in a bunch of air into your stomach or chest or whatever it's called. And, if you keep doing that and then you hold it when you can't suck it anymore, and then suck in more, it should be like that. So, I'm gonna try this. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Now I'm gonna try again.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm making a video of me, see how long I can burp or how loud I can burp.
Okay, mind if I sit in on it?
Sure. Okay. Anyways, try this again. Okay, I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna do it again. Try it one more time. Suck in. Okay.
You're really good at this, you know.
That was a good one.
Can I try?
Yeah, I guess you could try.
Okay, I don't burp a lot, so.
Can if you want.
This may be kind of hard. Watch it be like a tiny little like meep. Yeah, watch it be a meep. Watch it be a meep, guys. Watch it be a meep, guys. Okay.
It's gonna be meep.
Yeah, it's gonna be a meep. Okay, it's gonna be a meep. Okay, I'm gonna face them. Okay. Gonna count to.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So, that was horrible. I'm so sorry. I'd probably do worse. I mean, like, better if I had like a soda somewhere. Can I have a soda?